How to redeem eCredit on Delta. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem eCredit on Delta. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There are two ways to redeem a Delta eCredit for a flight. First, via your SkyMiles account. If you log into your SkyMiles account and go to your profile, a page with your personal details will appear. On the left side, under Profile, click on Certificates, eCredits, and Vouchers. You will be taken to a page with all your Delta eCredits, unused tickets, and companion certificates, including their monetary values and expiration dates. Check the box of the voucher you want to apply to your new reservation and continue to book your flight. If the new flight is more expensive than what your credit is worth, you will have to cover the difference. And the second way is to book as a normal flight and pay with eCredits. To redeem your Delta eCredit by making a booking as you normally would from the home page. Now, select your flight times, confirm passenger info, and click on Use eCredits when selecting a payment method. Once your active credits appear, select the ones you want to redeem and finish your booking. If you just pick one or two vouchers from a list of credits, use the ones that expire the earliest. Even if they are in smaller amount, you don't want them to expire before you get another chance to redeem them. Remember that you must be signed into SkyMiles for the credits associated with your account to be available for use. So, this is how you can redeem eCredit on Delta. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.